Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 8, 9 and 10. Humility, unpretentiousness, non-injury, forgiveness, uprightness, service to the teacher, purity, steadfastness, self-control.
मानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा शान्तिर् आर्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यम् आत्मविनिग्रहः.
Indifference to the objects of the senses and also absence of egoism, perception of or reflection upon evils in birth, death, old age, sickness and pain.
इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्.
Non-attachment, non-identification of self with son, wife, home and the rest, and constant even-mindedness on the attainment of the desirable and the undesirable.
असक्तिर् अनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रधारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समसिद्धत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु.
Chapter 13, Shloka 8, 9 and 10. In the following 5 shlokas, 20 values which in their totality indicate the knower of the field are explained. These are essential prerequisites for the seeker to experience the infinite self. Humility, absence of self-esteem, modesty, the virtue of not proclaiming one's greatness, non-injury to any living being by our own wishes, intentions and feelings, patience, capacity to suffer without getting upset, service to the teacher, to seek a mental identity with the teacher's pure heart, purity, cleanliness in thought and physical structure along with dress and surroundings, self-control, self-restraint at all personality layers and their contacts with outer world, absence of attachments for objects, remaining in the world, switching off our mental preoccupation with them, abandonment of the thought of I, reducing our identifications with the equipment and their perceptions of the evil of pain, feeling of discontentment with the available situation to discover a new situation when you are conscious of the evil of pain in the present stage of existence. in birth, death, old age, and sickness. These are the changes of the body and is an inlet for fresh sources of sorrow. The sense of revolt against pain is to feel an impatience with them. Non-attachment. The mind's sticking on to the various objects of the world with extreme liking for them is called attachment. It is mental attachments with the world of objects. Absence of excessive love for child, wife, home, and the like. It is our total identification with the object of our affection. The person is happy or sorrowful when the other is so. Constant evenness of mind. Maintain unbroken calm in all situations of life, desirable or undesirable. One discovers in itself a tremendous amount of surplus energy conserved, which may flow into dangerous channels unless rightly directed. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.